Antivirus Reviews. Online is participant to the Amazon Services LLC Associates Program and Affiliate Advertising Program, which is designed to provide an aid for the websites and earning an advertisement fees by means of advertising and linking to Amazon products. This website is an antivirus buyer's guide and not considered as advice. The information, ratings, trends, and reviews expressed on the site are the sole discretion of Antivirus Reviews. Online, the website is strictly for research and informational purposes only. We do our best to keep all content up to date and accurate, but cannot guarantee it due to the constantly changing antivirus landscape. In order to keep this website free to consumers, we receive advertising revenue from some of the antivirus companies. Features: 3 years, 1,095 days, subscribe to 5 devices, warranty never used, find your own email. Suitable for renewals or new activations. Product keycard light package includes keycard and official download URL, not a disk. If you are picky about packaging, please be careful to buy. Windows 8.1 and 10 Mac OS, Android, iOS. For PC, Trend Micro Maximum Security. For Mac, Trend Micro Antivirus. For Mac. For mobile, Trend Micro Mobile Security. Smart protection for all your connections. Protect all devices, protect all your devices, protect your PC, Mac, and mobile devices. Secure transactions, secure your transactions. When you do your online banking with PayCard, you ensure the legitimacy of financial websites. Stop web threats, block internet threats, defend yourself against ransomware and other online threats. Shield privacy, protect your privacy, block dangerous websites that can steal personal information. Safeguard kids, protect your children, let children safely explore the internet by setting them time and content barriers. Optimize performance, fix common problems to keep your applications running at maximum speed. Avoid fraud and scams, prevent fraud and attacks, protect yourself from phishing emails. Manage passwords with ease, manage passwords effortlessly, create and manage complex passwords and secure login data for your favorite websites.